To install the Britax One4Life rear facing with the anti-rebound bar, you first have to install the anti-rebound bar. To do that, lift the ClickTight panel like that. Then the anti-rebound bar gets fitted into these two openings right here in the front of the car seat. So we just place it in here. You're going to listen for 2 clicks. One on each side. Then there are 2 elastics on either side, on both sides of the cover of the anti-rebound bar, and they get fitted over a bar here. This keeps the cover nice and taut on the anti-rebound bar. And it keeps the child from lifting it off as they're kicking with their feet. And then once that's on, you close the panel again and that bar is on there nice and securely. Then after that, you just install the car seat. To remove the anti-rebound bar, open the ClickTight panel and undo the elastics that are holding on the mesh panel. On either side of the car seat, there are red buttons that correspond to the ClickTight panel's arms. While pulling on the top of the ClickTight panel, press each one of those buttons. Make sure to keep some pressure on that side that you've pressed on so it doesn't click back in. And then just pull out and it comes out like that.